Hello guys and hi everyone, just like every day this is Chen here and welcome to the FOMO Clips review. So firstly I am thanking you that you are watching my video, you are giving your valuable time to watch my video. So what you can do, if you want to get the tool from my website, you can click on the video description link and you will be redirected to this page and you can get the product with my best bonuses. I will show you the FOMO Clips in detail and I will show you everything given inside this tool. So this is the dashboard of this tool. I will reveal the bonuses in a little bit later. So let me show you the product firstly. So inside the dashboard you can see here there are some statistics, some numerics are given, and it is very easy product. There is nothing much to show you, that is why it will not take so much time to show you this product, and I will do it a little bit faster also. So there are some numerics and after that the walkthrough or the tutorial is given, and you can see here the tutorial is only 2 minutes and 5 seconds. So you can think of that it is very easy to use, totally newbie friendly, no technical skill required. But the thing is, this is an app of next generation. Like you can download any of the stuffs you have created previously or totally done for you stuffs. You can download them by clicking on download, or you can edit them. It is totally rendered, but that is why it is not rendered. It not be rendered at this time, but you can download it. Okay, so you can click on the templates, and inside templates you can see here these templates are given, and you can create this kind of stuffs, like this kind of stuffs inside any of your posts, any of your Facebook posts, any of your Instagram posts, and any of your YouTube post or YouTube community. And that is the thing. So you can choose any template you want, and these are the all templates inside the front end product. And if you purchase the upsells, you will be given more templates and all of the templates basically. So this is the background remover. Like some of the image editing stuffs or the video editing stuffs are additionally given, the background remover, the ad creator. So this is the ad creator dashboard. You can create the ad like the image ads, and it is a very basic dashboard or image editor. I think for just 37 bucks it is a very basic. The next thing is the tutorial, and after the tutorial I have showed you already that this is 2 minutes 5 seconds tutorial that is already given in the dashboard. So it is meaningless to create a section named tutorial. And apart from that, the bonuses are given, and some bonuses are given inside the bonus section. The free bonus, sorry, one bonus is given. I was not aware of that one bonus is given. So the thing is, you can create this kind of templates. You can watch here. You can also watch the sales page, their sales page. There are so many samples are given. You can check out, you can scroll down to the sales page, through the sales page, and you can check out this kind of stuffs. Basically the FOMO word stands for fear of missing out. So you don't wanna miss, you just want to get the focus of your consumer. You just want the sale. That is why this kind of tool has been created, and this can attract any of your consumers, like more than the targeted consumer. It can attract other consumers also who are not inside your territory, like who don't love dogs, but they will love your post. Obviously once you have started using it, they will obviously love your post, and once the engagement will be higher, the sales obviously will be higher. It is directly proportional to sale. And also this is a very easy truth. I think this is a very easy truth. I should say it easy truth. I am not so good in English, but because my mother tongue is Bengali, other language, and I am improving myself inside English. So you can see here I have placed it this exact post inside my page also. So you can check out the same more samples by doing more and more scrolling inside. Sorry, do more and more scrolling, I think I should use. And this is the tool. So you can also check out inside Fiverr by just searching captivated videos, by just searching high quality videos, custom animated videos, or animated videos. Simply they will be charging more than 500 bucks, and you are getting the same tool within just 37 bucks and with so many bonuses. So these are the stuffs you can see here. You can create french fries, you can create these stuffs. So that is the thing. So apart from that, what I can give you with this tool, so I have written here, so you are also provided with 30 days money back guarantee from the sales page, and obviously you also provided with the JVZoo policy refund. Okay, sorry, not JVZoo refund policy. You are also backed up with this, and these are the descriptions about this tool. You can check out here, and sample video, and 30 plus bonuses from my side. And if you purchase any of the upsells from this force, you will be given the mega bonus box, which consists with 400 stuffs. Okay, so these are the main bonuses, the front end bonuses that comes with the $37 products. These 30 bonuses you can watch out here, like you can see here. For 17s I have written some descriptions, and some of them I have not written any description, so you can check out them. And there are some vendor bonuses that comes by default with the product. I have mentioned also of them, like Xconvert, Xsocial, and Apps Builder Pro. And apart from that, the upsell bonus I have already told you. A mega bonus box is coming with the upsell bonus, and that is the thing. You can check out the sales page by clicking on the buttons. There are 2 more buttons inside this page, so you can get the tool now and my bonuses. I think I have convinced you everything, so I am thanking you, and have a good day. I am thanking you again that you have given your time. So bye bye.